Good morning, everybody, YouTube subscribers. Hope you're having a good one. Guys, Cardano to hit $10 by the end of the year. It's actually a very high trending article that's going around the web right now, and I'm going to show that to you guys in a second here. Very quickly, before we go over the metrics and the data, take a look at the trend exhaustion real quick, guys. I did update you on this trade. I did not get triggered into this third buy limit here. I did get triggered into the first one, which actually is now the place of exit, if you can believe that. It's dropped that much. I was down $1,300 yesterday, as I showed you guys in my account. I'm down only about $500 today, so that's looking pretty nice. We are heading back into a positive direction. Hey, thanks guys so much for just sharing yesterday in the other video of how much you guys are down. It was just like, it was a video to kind of give people an idea, you know what, you're not alone in this whole thing. You know, a lot of people are losing money. I just came out with a DOGECOIN video where a guy is down about $8 billion on Doge. Whew, pretty crazy. All right, the price versus the one money flow is moving up here to the top. So price as well as structure is moving positively correlated. This is a very good sign. The trend dashboard at the moment is still looking bearish in my opinion. We need to see a nice high, a higher low to a higher high before we start moving up a little bit more. So I want to see the 50 and the 100 MAs actually turn green. The trend dashboard, the price versus the one money flow, and the trend exhaustion, these are paid indicators on the website at tradeconfident.io and the link in the description. The prices of these will be going up July 1st, so make sure you guys snag those. So over to the news article that I was talking to you guys about. Take a look at this. Is Cardano price poised for 500% rally? ADA price hit $10 by 2021? Wow. The price to hit $10 by 2021. Okay, what is this guy actually talking about? And what's this article floating around? So here's what it is. It's a Twitter post that came out here. In this post, to his 134,000 Twitter followers, the crypto expert is used loosely here in my personal opinion, known as Capo, stated that he is quite optimistic about ADA. He predicted last Sunday that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano are still very likely to reach 100,000, 10K, and $10 by the end of the year. The trader went on to share that ADA is one of his biggest crypto holdings, and considers it to be superior to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, I wouldn't doubt that. I've actually read articles about that, and I tend to somewhat agree with that, okay? Capo forecasts a 156% increase in Bitcoin, a 302% increase in Ethereum, and a huge 557% increase in Cardano. Now, am I saying this is true or false? I'm just reporting the news to you guys because this is a trending article and it needs to be taken into consideration because you guys are looking at this and retail traders are looking at this. So someone who reads this, especially one of his 134,000 followers, if there's wells in here, if there's enough money in here, that can help positively pump ADA. All right. Now, I don't like pumping a lot of news on this channel because it can be totally, manipulated. What I like to do, guys, is we're going to go over the market metrics that cannot be manipulated whatsoever because it's real volume and trade data. What happens, happens. Even the manipulations we see on here because we're looking at straight volume data. So let's go over this as Bitcoin as a whole, but it will affect ADA in the short term here. So let's fly through this. Long trades versus short trades on Bitcoin as a market in whole. Long trades are increasing, short trades are decreasing. This is incredibly bullish for those of you guys in the market at the moment. Make sure you're checking tradeconfident.io and click the star up here, the market metrics. Every single morning, this is updated. Okay, trades in favor today are still for you guys as long trades. If you're looking to short this, some of you guys in here, maybe big institutions that are starting to watch this channel because we actually have some incredible metrics here. I'm going to show you to this that you guys might be looking to short this. Well, I'm personally going to give you guys some non-financial advice, just my opinion. I would highly not look to short this yet. I will actually show you where to short this, okay, in a second. But it's not here at the moment. Right now, I personally believe that we are in good long trades, and this is even as wells are taking over with some long trades, they're still looking at long positions, which I'm going to prove to you as well. And then I don't think shorts are going to take over until a moment here, and I'll show that to you. The death cross. We are still in a bearish cycle, all right? This is very very clear. The green section on top, this indicates a bullish market. The red section, if the red section is on top, this indicates a death cross, and this is actually used more for in stocks, but, a lot of people use this for crypto as well. 50 MA crossing below the 200 MA. We are still in a death cross market. Emotional index today. We are looking at the majority of the market is down here in this anxious spot. When they're down here and fearful, you guys are very scared. You guys are selling off like crazy. guess what's happening? The whales are coming and buying your guys' fear and driving the price straight back up, okay? It's what happened here. It's what happened here. It is actually what happened here. Whales, as you guys were selling and freaking out the whole time, and I'm not trying to be rude about that by any means, because it was scary for a lot of people. But while a lot of you guys, retail traders, were selling off on here, the whales were accumulating all the way down, okay? Even when they started seeing these drops in here, the whales, what they do? They accumulated and smart money accumulated. Well, let's take a look at what's happening currently. Whale and institutional money in here, these are the short trades, these are the long trades. The long trades have been taking over. We are still in the long trade position. So, as mentioned in the earlier section of the video, when is a great time to short? Watch this metric. Like literally just watch this metric. When you start seeing the short volume of the whales and institutions get down here to the bottom area where it's been consistent before, this is for some reason where they just decide to short the market, short it, and short it up here, okay? Literally every single time from here, here, there, here, and even in this area, this is just a blast off here, looking for a short here. Pretty much every time you see in here, since basically March, February and March, you have seen a positive correlation. Like if they drop the price out like crazy. So on the daily time frame here, watch this every single day to see where the best short trades are. Next time we get down into this area for shorts, that's where I'm expecting to see this drop like crazy, okay? But right now, the whales are still slowly accumulating long trades. They are dropping off because now they see the price moving back up, but the height of this right around this area before it dropped off was the exact bottom of this part here, and then it started moving back up. So watch this every day to follow the whale and the institutional money, okay? As well as the whale positions. The whale positions on here of the high volume nodes sits around $56,000 for Bitcoin. I know we're talking about ADA, but I'm going to pull this together and wrap it up here, is that around this $56,000 area is where there's going to be a resistance, okay? Now, a lot of people who went short here, they're shorting the market. They don't want the price to go back up past here because then they'd be in the negative, so that might be whales putting more money in here so their books don't go into the negative and they start making more money. So I do expect to see a move up here a little bit further, but watch around 36,000 with this high volume nodes, a lot of high volumes in here for short trades and long trades where we might see a resistance. This is how this acts. High volume nodes act as resistance and support on the charts. Low volume nodes over here is where the price just screams up or just passes right through it because there's nothing in its way. If we break up here and we keep going, it's going to be a nice move. All right, correlate this all over to ADA. As I mentioned over here, if we can break past this 36,000 on Bitcoin, it is basically a nice move up here, back up to around, I would say 47,000. This would end up taking our long trade sell limit out. We would be making 10.94% on this trade. I am still holding in here. This is where my exit is in Coinbase. I'm going to show this to you guys right now. I'm sorry, that is not what I wanted to show you guys. This is it over here. So the field trades in the open positions. You guys will see in here that my sell limit for ADA is sitting here at $1.56, all right, which correlates over here at $1.56. All right, $1.56 is where I'm getting out because it correlates to structure. High here, I am not going to get out at the very top. I'm getting out before everybody else. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to restructure this trade and get back into it. But I want to take 10% profit and keep compounding interest in my account. So that is the full play. Make sure you guys are watching the market metrics every single morning. I update this on tradeconfident.io. And then over here on the front page, you guys can subscribe to this website here. And I am covering all the live trades for the top 15 currencies. Like all of them, guys. Polkadot, like XRP, Stellar. I can't do videos for all of them, but literally you click into any single one here and there's live trades going on for all of these. I'm showing you the profit, how I'm managing it. And then also you guys can come over here to, where is it? Come over to the performance on the front page and you guys can see all the trades that we've won or lost. I think in the next coming 2 to 3 weeks, there's going to be a lot more trades added in here. The last trade we ended up winning was a 15.14% on Bitcoin. Here's the opening. Here's the close. It was a very nice trade for everybody before the market went down. You made more than the S&P 500 did, 50% more than the S&P 500 an entire year just in one trade by following this YouTube channel and being subscribed over to tradeconfident.io. All right, guys, that wraps this video up. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Wednesday. It's still looking bullish in the market, but I'll keep you updated on tomorrow's videos. God bless you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.